So good morning everyone, I hope everybody is doing fine. So in a while I'll be presenting the screen. Kindly confirm if the screen is presentable or not. Presentable? I think yesterday we had completed till 6 and 7, 8 and 9 were your homeworks, right? Yes. So let's start off with this class. Is everyone ready? Yes or no? Confirm. Okay then. Question number 7 says that find the 31st term find the 31st term of the AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So over here they are giving you A31 as finding out the thing, and just a moment. Okay, then you have to find out the 31st term where given is 11th term which is 38 and the next term which is given is A16 which is 73. Is there any query in this? This is the given portion, right? So we know what is the formula for A11? A plus 10D. Any doubt? This is equation 1. And what will be A16? A plus 15D is equals to 73. Now students who have doubt in this, A16 will be found out like this: 16 minus 1 into D. Clear? Which is A plus 15D. Any doubt in this equation? So are you able to solve this equation by elimination? Merely subtract equation 1 and 2. Kindly subtract this thing. Tell me the value for D. D equals to? Write it in the chat box. D is equals to 7. What will be your A then? D is equals to 7. Then your A will be how much? 32. Very good. A will come out to be 32. Now, what have been asked to find out? A31, right? A31 will be equals to A plus 30D. Yes or no? Which is 32 plus 7 into 30. What is the answer? How many have got the answer? Your answer will be equals to 178, the 31st term. Is it clear? The value of A is minus 32, value of D is 7. I wrote 32, no? It's minus 32. Clear everyone? 178. How many have got this answer? Please write a Y on chat box. How many have this answer? Please write a Y on chat box fast. Okay, many of you have written it. Good. People who could not get the answer, here's the solution out here. Kindly see if you have any doubt in the solution. Does anybody has any query in this solution? Kindly let me know now. I'll move on to the next question. Should I move on?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Next question is question number 8. A similar sort of question. A AP which consists of 50 terms. Clear? Out of which third term is 12. Just write given A3 is equals to 12. Any doubt till now? And the last term is 50. What does this mean? 50 terms. Last term will be how much?
Sir, 50.
So A50 will be how much? 106. Clear? So from this can we write A plus 2D is equals to 12? Equation 1. Any doubt? from this, can we write A plus 49 into D is equals to 106? Any doubt? Can we solve this equation to get the value for D? Subtract this equation, tell me the value for D and then the value for A. What you have to find out here? The 29th term you have to find out. These type of questions are very common in your exams. Okay, one, you'll get this type of question. Tell me the value for D and then the value for A. Agnek has written D is equals to 2, A is equals to 8. Two people have written the same answer. D equals to 2, A is equals to 8. How many have got this answer? Now when you have this answer, we know that A29 is given by A plus 29 minus 1 into D, which is 8 plus 28 into 2. What is your answer now? Write it in the chat box. Let's see how many people are very attentive in doing their homeworks. Tell me the value for A29. Till now everybody has done it properly. D is equals to 2 and your A is equals to 8. Is your 29th term equals to 64? Kindly tell me. 3 people have already answered. Now did everybody get this answer? Please write a Y on chat box, because I'll have to move on, and if you haven't got the answer, the solution is right in front of you in the screen. Kindly copy it down. I'll wait for exactly 1 minute and then I'll start off with the next question. I'm pausing the video for you to copy it down. Okay, then most of you students have already done this numerical. So I'll move on to the next numerical for today, which is question number 9. Is everybody ready? Now, the third term and the ninth term of AP are 4 and 8 respectively. I hope people understand what the meaning of respectively. Respectively means 4 stands for third one and minus 8 is for ninth one. So first we'll write the given portions over here. A3 is equals to 4 and B3 is equals to, sorry, not B3. A9 is equals to how much? Minus 8. Now, let's see what you've been asked to find out. Which term of this AP is 0? Means that an has already been given to you as 0. You have to calculate the value for n. Is the numerical absolutely clear to everyone? Yes or no? Confirm.
Yes, sir.
So can we write, instead of A3, can we write A plus 2D is equals to 4? Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
The two numericals were based on this concept only, so you should not have any doubts. Now A9 can be written as what? What can A9 be written as? A plus? Very good. A plus 8D is equals to minus 8, which is our equation 2. Can we find out the value for X and A and B? Sorry, A and D. Can we find out the value by subtracting these two equations? We'll get the value for D as how much? D is minus 2. Bodhisattva has written. D is minus 2 and A is equals to 8. Very good. 5 people have already answered. D is equals to minus 2. A is equals to 8. Is this the answer? A equals to 8. Very good, everyone. Now, when we have the value for A and D, now it's very simple to calculate the value for n. Since we know the formula for an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, you've been asked to calculate which term is 0, right? So instead of an we put 0, instead of a we put 8, and instead of d we put minus 2. Tell me the value for n over here. One person has already answered. Very good. N is equal to, Surya has written 5. Very good, Surya. Let's see how many else get 5. Till now we are going absolutely correct. Your D has come out to be minus 2 and A has come out to be 8. You just have to tell me the value for N now. Only one person has answered. Okay, two has answered. Agni has also answered. Very good. And rest of you, kindly complete it now. I'm pausing the video. Kindly complete it and tell me the value for n, everyone in the chat box. I believe students have got the answer for this numerical. Let's check out the answers. N is equals to 5, n is equals to 5, n is equals to 5. So majority of the students have written n is equals to 5. Clear? So we'll go with n is equals to 5 also happens to be the correct answer. That means the fifth position, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth, will be a position where we get a term as 0. Clear everyone? Yes or no? Should we move on to the next one? I hope people are understanding and enjoying the class also. This is a very easy and a very interesting chapter because it is very related to your normal lives. Okay? Should we move on to the next one? Okay, then moving on to question number 10. Now, this one. A17th exceeds the 10th term by 7. What will it mean? You have to find the common difference. The 17th term exceeds the 10th term by 7. What do you think the equation will become? Anyone?
minus 8 equals
Very good. A17 minus A10th will be 7. Clear? Because it's exceeding, right? This will be your 17th term and this will be your 10th term. According to question, A17 minus A10 is equals to 7. Is this thing clear? Very much clear to everyone. You have to find the common difference. Hurry up, go on to find the common difference over here. Just substitute A17 के place में A plus 16D and A10th में A plus 9D. I hope nobody has any issues in this. The difference is equal to 10. 7, sorry. Okay, the answers have started to come up. Surya, Lahiri, Datta, Agnik have already answered. Okay, then value for D has come out to be 1. How many have got this answer apart from 6, 7 of them? Sheila has also got the answer. Anantajit. Rest of you? Hurry up, kindly go on to calculate the value. It's very easy. I'm pausing the video for you all to copy it down. Does everybody have the answer for the 10th question? Yes or no? Confirm everyone. D is equals to 1.
yes, sir.
Now, the 11th question is very important, okay, as far as concept clearance is concerned. So, let's start off with the next question. Which of the term of this AP will be 132 more than the 54th term? Can anyone explain me this question? This is a given AP. We know A over here and obviously we know D also. Clear? Which term will be 132 more than the 54th term? So we have to calculate the value for A and N, for which it's more 134 more than the 54th term, right? 54th plus 132. Clear? This should be the term. Does everybody understand? Then your AN will come out, and when AN comes out, you'll have to calculate the value for N. Can we calculate the value for A54? Did everybody understand what is the basic structure of this question? What will be our A over here? 3. What will be D out here? 15 minus 3? 12. So 54 will be how much? A54. Go on to calculate first A54 fast. Hurry up, go and calculate A54 fast. Did everybody understand what we are doing out here? You have to calculate the value for N, for which the term is 132 more than 54th term. So 54 plus 132 will give you that term AN, right? When we get the value for AN, we'll know A, we'll know D. That time we'll have to calculate the value for N. First we have to calculate the value for A54. Hurry up, calculate value for A54 for which A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 12. Hurry up, write it in the chat box the answer. A is equals to A54. Very good. A has come out to be AN has come out to be 639. Now how many got the answer? The 54 as 639. This is a absolutely a correct answer. So since the term is 132 more, you'll add 132 out here. It will be 771. Now your AN will become 771. Now you want to calculate the value for N. I hope people are understanding what we are actually up to out here. We know the value for A, we know the value for D. Tell me the value for N. Hurry up. Okay, Bodhisattva has already got the answer. Very good. Surya Sarkar has also got the answer. Very good. Rest of you kindly try it out first. Hurry up, hurry up. Three, four people have already answered. Rest of you, hurry up. Make sure you have understood this thing very carefully. Done? N has come out to be 65. 5 people have already answered. Very good, everyone. Rest of you, did everybody get the answer for this numerical? Yes or no? Kindly confirm. Kindly confirm everyone in the chat box. I need at least 10 yeses. Hurry up, then only I'll move on to the next numerical. Fast. Only 2 yeses. I'll not be moving on to the next numerical. Don't worry. 4 yeses. 5. Hurry up. If you're not done, kindly do it. 6 yeses. 7. No, only 5. 6 yeses. Hurry up. Kindly copy it down and let me know if you have understood it clearly, and do we have to move to the next numerical or not. Still not enough yeses. I'll not be moving on to the next numerical till I get 10 yeses minimum. Seven yeses still. More 3 yeses minimum. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. That means people have not completed this thing. 8 yeses. If you have not completed it, kindly copy it down. I can wait for you. 9 yeses. I need one more yes minimum. Okay, I've got 10 yeses. I'll have to move on now. Now, another method not required. Now, question number 12. Now you'll have to try out this numerical entirely up to you. Okay, I want to see that if you developed that thing to understand it properly or not. Two APs have same common difference. Clear? The difference between their 100 term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 term? I'll give you exactly 2 minutes to try out this numerical. Try out whatever possible combination you feel it's correct, and then we'll discuss the solution, because I want you to try out some things also, something new. Okay, I'm pausing the video. You have 2 minutes of time to try it out. Now enough time was given to you. Now it's time to move on to the solution. So since the two APs are there, so we'll assume A1 and A2 be the the first term of the two APs, and then common difference will be assumed to be as D, since it's same, so we'll assume it as only D. So our AN will become the 100th term, right? So A100 for the first series will become this A minus 99D, A plus A1 plus 99D, and your 100th term for the second AP will become A2 plus 99D. So difference between these two has already been given to you. What you have to find out? You have to find out the difference between the 1000 term. This 1000 term will be given as this for your first AP. Clear? And for your second AP, the 1000 terms will be given to you as this. Clear? So according to question, the 100 terms difference is equal to 100. So when you substitute this thing, we'll get 99 goes off. We will be left with only A1 minus A2 is equals to 100. So when you subtract this 2 also, only then this will go off. Then again A1 minus A2 we have already got. It's from equation 1, it's 100. So we'll say that difference between 1000 term is also 100. Is this thing clear to everyone? Yes or no? Kindly confirm. 4 people have already got the answer. Very good, everyone. Very good. Did everybody get the answer for this? And did students who haven't got the answer, did everybody understand this numerical? This 100 has come from the first equation, which you had solved for the 100th term. Clear, everyone? I'll give you some time to copy it down and note down today's assignment. This assignment will be, this was 13th, right? 13th, 14th and 15th question. Clear, everyone? Students have time to copy this down. Kindly copy it down and let me know if today's assignment has been copied by everyone or not. Now the class is open for discussion. If anybody has any queries regarding today's class, kindly ask me now. I am stopping the